Melissa, try not to make hard contact with other tools, other scissors. You see, you have like 35 teeth in your shear. You got 35 matching nicks in the only cutting blade. All right, we're gonna remove these and make them like new. So just be careful, be more mindful how you place them down. Melissa, here you go. They're like new. Listen, let me tell you something. These Olivia Gardens, we hate with a passion to love them because they're awesome scissors. They're just so functional, practical. It's an honest value. These scissors will outperform 80% of our 500 plus scissors, trust me. At the end of the day, for God's sake, it's just 2 pieces of steel cutting hair. If anybody tells you different, they have an agenda. So as far as neglecting them, yeah, neglect them all you want. It's your prerogative. We'll clean them up every time. It makes our job more interesting. And these things are super, super resilient. Basically, the only thing you should worry about is a bad sharpening. All right, just don't throw them off the building.